Another air rocket launched straight up, speed of 24 meters per second, strikes an 18 meter tall light tower on the way down. What's its velocity of impact with the light tower? So it's on the way down, right? Okay. This will be a key thing. This will be a key thing. Let's draw a picture of this. Here's the ground. Here's our light tower. This is always my fear, you know, we'll hit one of those light towers, knock out one of those lights. Okay, so this is an 18 meter tall light tower. That's this to here. Right, and here's this rocket, it goes up. Must be moving sideways a little bit, right, because it comes down and hits this light tower. Okay, 18 meters. So our initial velocity is 24 meters per second, right? Right, okay, so that is our initial velocity. So 24 meters per second positive, right? And then, let's see, A is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Our displacement is 18 meters. Right, and then the final velocity is something we got to calculate, right? So it's not zero after it hits the tower, right? It's like right before it hits, right? Okay, so just to remember, you know, if it strikes the ground, it doesn't strike it not moving. It strikes it with some velocity. Okay. How do I find this? I guess I use no t, right? Let's use no t. So Vf squared is Vi squared plus 2. AX. So final velocity is, that's what we're trying to find, okay. Is the initial velocity, so 24 squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times positive 18, right? Okay, so that displacement, right, that 18 meters displacement, we can use that, even though it goes above it and then comes down from below. Remember, it's the net change in position. So our displacement is just 18. Right? Okay, we can do this. I'm just going to type this in. So 24 squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times 18. Okay, so Vf squared. I literally just typed this in and hit enter. And I got 223. This whole right side is 223.2. So then to find what Vf is, I'm going to square root both sides, right? Right, so I go second square root second answer. 14.94 meters per second. That's the absolute value of the final velocity. Okay, which of course means it could be positive that or negative that. Now, if it strikes the tower going down, whoops. Got to draw the fins, right? If it's going down when it strikes a tower, it has to be negative 14.94, right? That negative, so the VF is going to be negative 14.9 meters per second. And the negative we put on there, we just put it on there because we know it's going down. Okay? If you don't put it on there, it's not correct.